Hey, trading session of the day. So, how was my trading day? Let's see. It started badly in here. Started badly in there. This one closed at resistance, so we cannot. But when we break up, we would after this such a momentum candle, when we break it up, we think we are going further into this one. That happens a lot of times. So yeah, I was fortunate that this one was a fixed lot 0.04. It was a fixed lot trade and not a percentage trade. So I didn't lost much. I lost like 5 or something like that instead of 50. So yeah, quite good in that aspect. So yeah, that was the GJ. And other than that, there was nothing more to trade here, man. Nothing more. Like we cannot do anything with this candle because man, it's just no. We are inside the range. We have the bottom just here. Okay, then we came to the bottom side of this range, and Raja took a trade in here, and he got stopped out. Um, this one closed bearish, but very very weak bearish, and you cannot trust that shit. And yeah, it would have been an idea to trade it when it break down in there, but not really the kind of setup that I like to see. That's 19, and it went to 19. It went way more to 26. The thing is, you have this range here, this this zone. Where does this come from? Okay. Oh, this doesn't matter anymore. In the Yeah, to the downside, this doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is this one. So I'm going to delete this one. Um, yeah, so maybe. But the thing is, this is not a bearish. This is a bearish candle, but very weak bearish. And you have support just here, and you have all those weeks in there. Man, you can only take a trade after the weeks, isn't it? And there is another week in there, and then it's already territory of those weeks in here. Man, no, 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 no. Too risky. Too much shit for me to trade. So no, no. And then it reversed and it started coming up. This one didn't close inside the range, and this one closed, but this is already 4 p.m. I don't want to trade anymore. But this one should be a trade to go to this top side in here, you know. But I don't think there's a good risk reward for that. Maybe if we can, like, it's 29 pips to go there. If you put your stop at 29, the thing is, it's already late. You need steam to do those moves, and you don't have them. So I skipped this one also. So nothing more on GJ, just this loss here. Okay, and I would do it again, to be honest. I'm looking at the trade, and man, such a huge momentum, broke up, weak down and broke up. Man, you think, boom, isn't it? But it didn't happen, fortunately. So that's it, no problems. Uh, Pound USD. Pound USD, I have good stuff here. So in the morning we just broke those weeks there, and I shot the trade there, and yeah, very nice. Stop was just above the candle here, and yeah, 1 to 1. But it was more than 1 to 1. Was because my stop was like 7 pips or something. It was very very tiny. I don't like those kinds of. It was like 7 8 pips. I don't like those kind of stops, but we are going down so heavily, so fast, and yeah, that's why I put that stop there, and also it allows me to put my target just before problems, because we have problems just here where you see this dark area. We have problems there, and we have those weeks there already. So you want your trade to be a small trade and not a big one, you know. So yeah. So that happened, and it was a great trade. After that, this was a mistake here. Okay, so this one closes bullish, and this one closes bullish also. Okay, and the trade here is when this candle closes. When this candle closes, oh, no, I'm not sure if it's the candle close here. No, let me go to the 5 minutes to see. Exactly, exactly. When that candle closed where? Let me check this out. Yeah, the trade should have been in because that candle closed. Let me see the price. The price of this candle close is 19.6. Okay, 19.6. So I think it's this close here. 19. This is 18.7. Somewhere here. That candle close, or is this one here? Let me see. 18.6. Oh, close, close. 22. 18.6. I don't know. I should have. What I think that happened is I should have executed the trade in the close. In the close. And 19.6. I'm looking for the 19.6 and I don't see it. Very weird shit. Why don't I see the 19.6? Um, because if I take the close and let's say the close is around here, okay, the trade is a success. Look, this is very. If I take the close here, my stop is 10 pips, right? And I have made my target. It went to 12, okay, because it's bullish. It's bullish already inside the range. Okay. And instead of that, I waited for this shit to break the previous candle, and that took two things. Took my risk reward because now I needed to go up here to give me the trade, and we have problems here. We have we don't count much with this, but we have problems just here, And if there is one thing Raja looks is those things there, you know. So so yeah, if I would have taken the trade here with stop below, that would have been a success. Instead, instead it was a failure, right? Instead, it went like to 8 pips, and then it stopped me out for 12, right? So yeah, I gotta trust myself more in this. Not this one, of course, but this one already closed bullish, already give you a hint. But it could be a retest and come down, and do the weak fill again. But when this one closes bullish, it's an entry there. Immediately, it's an entry. It's not waiting for the fucking week because now I needed to go further, you know. And if it goes further, you close 80%, and if it goes further, nice, you take more profit. But yeah, this is I consider this to be a mistake. And yeah, and then I have this last one. This last one was great. Uh, we we came down, we closed bullish again, and unfortunately we didn't close above this resistance because if the close was like here, I would have taken the trade immediately, you know. But having a close in here, you gotta wait for that week to break, in order to take a trade. But it went good. Look, went great, went great. I waited for that week to break, and man, I took off here in the resistance and the rest in the weak field. And man, look at this. It was I was very, very lucky in my exit there. in the weak fill. You know, those things are powerful. Anyway, it was a profit for the day in the end. It was nice. It was a shame this one. This one was a really, really, really a shame. That would have been GU would have been perfect trading today if it wasn't for this. Just because I instead of taking the close, I'm taking the break. So yeah, we gotta execute things right. We gotta execute things right, or else we take it's us taking our profits out of our table. So anyway, that was my just one more that unfortunately I didn't got in, and I'm going to show you on TradingView. Where is it? It's on GA. I told you about it, but I didn't show you. So this is GA, and this one. Okay, you have all this range here, all right? So you have came inside that range and it rejected. But when we break that week down, man, we are inside the range. That's a trade to come here, right? That's a trade to come here. And unfortunately, I missed it. I really missed it. When I look at it, price was already here, and I felt, man, I'm like 3 pips late. Then it gave me the chance again, but it like it does that after coming like 12 or 15 pips in profit. It's not, you don't feel like taking it anymore because it seems like it is rejecting up. Oh, yeah, it rejected because this candle broke the high of this one, isn't it? So you don't feel like taking it in there. But yeah, it would have been good from there. Let me see on how many pips is that. It's good for sure. So is this candle here? So when we break the low here, that's we break the low, we came. This is 16 pips already, 16.7 pips. My stop would have been 19 in there. Uh, so I think I would have taken somewhere, right? Um, I would not, yeah, 16 pips. Probably I'm taking like 80% or taking 50% just to make sure, and yeah. But then it came to the support that we were talking about, and that was huge, 50 pips. So yeah, but that one I missed it completely. What a shame. Um, yeah, I'm still also very. I'm not because I didn't back tested GA again yet. So you know, so you see, we came to the support, we rejected. Amazing stuff here on GA. So yeah, that was my trading session. That's a long video today, but everything is explained. Cheers, bye bye. We catch up later. Bye bye. Cheers.